The sky looks dark today.
Let's finish our work before the rain begins. Quick! Bring the wood inside!
I'm coming!
The roof is leaking again. Bring the clay pot. Put it under the water.
Don't let the food get wet.
I'll help, Father. I'm scared.
Stay close. Everything will be all right. Hot food gives us strength.
You're right.
Be careful!
Just one more bundle. We can't leave them outside!
I'm holding the rope.
Pull slowly, don't let go!
We've got her. Bring her this way.
Long ago, storms were even stronger.
Really, Grandma? Tell us more.
Those storms taught our village to stay brave and help one another.
Morning arrives. The rain stops. Sunlight shines through the clouds. Birds begin singing again. The family opens the door. The village is muddy but peaceful.
Our mud house stood strong because we stood together.
The storm tested their home, but it could not break their spirit.
Together, they welcomed a new sunrise with hope.